About this year's Year 10 exam paper will be set in 3 parts. The first part will be about social justice, and there will be about 5 short answer questions. The time allocated for each short answer question should give you 1 mark per minute. So please make sure that you use your time effectively. The assessment task will be 50 minutes writing, 10 minutes reading. This is your time, plan your answers, but make sure that you write for 50 minutes. When you're doing the multi-choice questions, you should be able to eliminate one question straight away, one response straight away, and then look to get the best fit for your answer. Of the assessment task will be in a combination of short answer questions. The important thing about the exam structure is that you need to use your time effectively. So when you're answering questions from part 1, make sure that you look for responses that involve you telling me what the UN Declaration did. What are the Millennium Goals and what are the icons for the Millennium Goals? How can you view social Catholic teaching inside the videos that we've watched? You need to remember videos. You need to remember Blood Diamond and remember the Titans. Were there examples of an unjust world? In part 2, when you're looking at the short answer questions for social justice, please make sure you constantly refer to the UN Declaration, the Millennium Goals, and the icons related to them. Try and use some of the information from social Catholic teaching where you can. Most of your examples in your responses should come from the movie Blood Diamond or Remember the Titans. The whole aim of teaching about social justice is to make sure that people have the chance to live in the same conditions across the world. What is a just world? About Islam. Dealing with the following questions: who was Muhammad? What's the Quran? What are the 2 sects of Islam? What do Muslims believe? Where and when is the life system of Islam practiced? What are the holy cities of Islam? And why do women wear a veil? The third part will involve some multi-choice questions over the same topics as in part 2. The most important thing about the exam in part 2 and part 3, you need to learn some facts. You also need to know about the pillars of Islam. Refer to the poplets that we were doing in class on Friday. Once again, I can't stress more importantly, when you're looking at the questions related to Islam, you must look in particular at the 5 pillars. You also need to have a really good understanding of what Muslims believe, what the Quran says, what are the holy cities of Islam, and who was Muhammad.